Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some rainbow pony beads, 6 brown pony beads, 5 red pony beads, and then 10 yellow pony beads. You're also going to need scissors and a lighter. And I have a string that measures about 24 inches. If you use a thicker string, you'll probably need less. We're going to start on one end of the string. We're going to put all 6 of these brown beads on. And then you're going to grab the other side and put these together and let these fall to the middle. Then you're going to separate, put one to the side, and then we're going to string on a yellow, red, 2 yellow, and a red. And what I do is I wrap this around my hand and then have my thumb hold the end of the string. And then I take this side and you're going to string through all these beads. Now you're going to grab both ends of the string, put these together, and take your finger and you can just pull these down so the string's even. There we go. Okay, now we're going to add a yellow, another yellow, a red, and a yellow. It might be easier if you lay the string down and then just go through this way. So basically you need both strings to go in opposite directions and then you pull it down. Okay, our next one, we're going to put on red, yellow, yellow. And you can put this down. I guess it's easier to show you this way. So both strings went through, and we're going to pull this down. Okay, now we're going to add a yellow and a red. And your string's going to go through both of those. And our last bead is yellow. Take the string and go through the other side. So if you're using a thin string like I am, it's going to be a little loose. So what you can do, if you have a thicker string, I would use that because then you don't have to go through it. But I'm just gonna take my string and I'm gonna weave it back and forth to reinforce this. You know what? I should get a needle for this. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I went ahead and got my needle. So this will make it way easier. So we're just going back and forth through the beads. Okay, and now we're going to do it to the other side. So we're just going to go through these. Just going back and forth. And now it's reinforced, so it will stay in place. And I'm going to turn this into a bracelet. If you just wanted the piece of pizza, you could just tie it off and cut the ends. So I'm just going to do a rainbow pattern because that's my favorite. You know what? This might be. Just try it on and see if you need to add more beads. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so I put 2 sets of rainbow on each side. I'm going to tie this off. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.